The combine charges into the field. The front header guides the tall stalks inward.
The teeth grab the stalk, pulling it inside as your spins. Metal plates clamp the stalks tight while snapping rolls twist below,
ripping the ears of corn completely off. They ride up a chain conveyor, where an auger feeds them deeper inside the machine. Inside, spinning drums strip away the husks. Bare cobs and stalks are thrown out the back while the kernels travel upward into the grain tank. And once it's full, an auger swings out, pouring a river of corn into the waiting truck.